Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and in today's video I'm sharing with you a thrift haul. Okay, so the very first thing I want to share with you guys is something that I find absolutely hilarious, and it has a little bit of a backstory. Let me show you what I got. I have two of these. They are cookie jars. So this would be the rooster cookie jar. And then I also have the matching hen. So I saw these and I thought they were absolutely adorable. I have a family tradition. Every year I get my mom's husband a cookie jar for Christmas and I fill them up with homemade cookies. He doesn't want store-bought, he wants homemade. So this year I got two of them. They weren't a set, but I saw one and then I saw the other, and the price, one was $5.50, this one was $5.50, and the other one was like $6.50 or something like that. And so I just had to get both of them. So this one, the rooster one, is going to be for my mom's husband, and then of course the hen will be for my mother. Is that not just so adorable? So, and it'll fit in with their cookie jar collection, and it's something that my mom can display year round, even though she does display the Christmas themed cookie jars year round as well. But this way I saw these and I just had to get them. And I don't even know where they're from originally because there's no tag. But after I picked these up in one thrift store, I actually saw them in a completely different store. So I don't know if these are something that was mass produced. They don't really have a label on them saying that they're from, you know, some particular store or whatever. But I had to get them. I had to share. They are just too adorable. Up next, I'm sharing some adorable little acorn candles. So they do have candles inside, but I really just want them for the container. And this one is glass, and I paid $2 a piece for these. My daughter's really into candles, so I'm gonna let her use them until the candles are burned out, and then I'm just gonna put those in with my regular fall decor. Up next, I had to. It was only $5. So if you have been to my channel at all and seen any of my thrift hauls, you know that I am a sucker for silver plate. This little casserole dish holder actually has the casserole dish with it that fits. And this was just $5. I'm gonna put this in with a bunch of other things that I need to polish, and this will look just like new. Another thing that I've really gotten into collecting recently are holiday themed postcards. So I picked up two more. We have a vendor in our local flea market, thankfully, that sells these, and I absolutely love them. I got these for $1 a piece. I already have quite a few for the fall season, so I didn't want to get a whole lot more, so here's just two more to add to my collection. Those I will be putting in frames just to set on like the coffee table, the end tables, things like that. This is a cumulative haul, and whenever I stopped in my local Goodwill, I was able to find some pretty gold frames. They match. They're the type of frame that just hangs on a wall. I have to get a wire to put across there so that I can frame them, but they can either hold 8x10 or 5x7 pictures, and that is just really, really pretty. So the next thing I want to share with you is so amazing. So you're not going to think this is so amazing, but this is a milk glass piece. It is to hold half a stick of butter, right? The amazing part is I just picked one of these up in my last haul. It's cleaned up and in my china cabinet already, and they match perfectly. I don't even know if you can see that because it's white. But yeah, it just blew my mind when I saw another one. I was like, I've only ever seen one. I already own it. Here's another one. So now I have a set of these. Okay, I'm good with that. And this was like $3. The next two things that I have are just cute little pumpkins. I actually saw these. I was at a flea market in a different town and I saw these everywhere. These pumpkins, they must have come originally from like Hobby Lobby or Walmart or something like that. They're super mass produced. I don't know what the original price was to buy these retail, but I picked them up for $3 a piece. And I was seeing them all over the flea market for like $7 and $10 a piece, but yeah, so I just have a few more pieces for my fall decor. And my last two things, this is going to be a really fast haul for me. I usually have a lot of stuff. There's not very much in this one. My last two items I picked up quite a few months ago and I just didn't share them because they were Christmas themed and I wasn't ready to think about Christmas. But we're almost to Thanksgiving, and so after Thanksgiving I'll be able to start putting out my Christmas stuff. I had actually seen this in our local flea market for months and months, and there was no price tag on it. And so I took it up to the desk and said, hey, can you please call the vendor and find out how much they want for this so that I know if I want it or not. When I went back the next time, there was a price on it. I picked this up for $5 and I picked this up for like $2 or $3. But there we go. I have some cute little Christmas theme items that I can go ahead and have ready for after Thanksgiving. I can just put out where I want to. And that is the end of my haul. I told you it was going to be super fast, super small. I think this is the shortest haul video I've ever uploaded to YouTube. But it was a lot of fun. I really enjoy getting all of these pieces. Let me know in the comment section if there was something that you really thought was cute. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications of new uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.